Want to become a WordPress developer? You're in the right place. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your skills, this video will guide you through the key steps to becoming a proficient WordPress developer. Step 1. Understand what WordPress is first. Get to know WordPress. It's a powerful content management system that powers over 40% of websites on the internet. It's flexible, user-friendly, and has a large community of developers. Step 2. Learn the basics. Start with the basics. Familiarize yourself with the WordPress dashboard, themes, plugins, and settings. Create a free WordPress.com site or set up a local development environment using tools like Local by Flywheel or XAMPP. And Step 3. Master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, build your foundational skills. Learn HTML and CSS for structuring and styling your WordPress sites. JavaScript is crucial for adding interactivity and enhancing user experience. Step 4. Dive into PHP and MySQL. WordPress is built on PHP and MySQL. Understanding PHP will allow you to customize themes and develop plugins. Learn how to interact with MySQL databases to manage and retrieve content. Step 5. Explore WordPress themes and plugins. Explore existing themes and plugins to understand how they're built. Try customizing them to see how they work under the hood. Eventually, you'll want to create your themes and plugins. Step 6. Practice coding and build projects. Practice is key. Start building your WordPress projects. Create a portfolio showcasing different types of websites and functionalities. This will not only improve your skills, but also attract potential clients or employers. Step 7. Stay updated and engage with the community. WordPress is constantly evolving. Stay updated by following blogs, attending webinars, and engaging with the community. Join forums, participate in WordCamps, and connect with other developers. Step 8. Consider advanced topics and specializations. As you gain experience, consider delving into advanced topics such as WordPress security, performance optimization, and SEO. Specializing in these areas can set you apart in the field. Becoming a WordPress developer is a rewarding journey that combines creativity with technical skills. Follow these steps, keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to building amazing WordPress sites. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Happy coding!